Pandas DataFrame window function. I'm trying to manipulate my data frame similar to how you would using SQL window functions. Consider the following sample set. I'd like to add a few columns. A Boolean column to indicate whether the second underscore pass value for that test and analysis is the highest amongst all fruit types. Another column that lists which fruits had the highest second underscore pass values for each test and analysis combination. Using this logic, I'd like to get the following table. I'm new to Pandas, so I'm sure I'm missing something very simple.
You could return Boolean values where second underscore pass equals the group max, as ID's max only returns the first occurrence of the max. And then use np.where to capture all fruit values that have a group max, and merge the result into your data frame like so. Finally, for your follow-up, to get
I'm going to assume you meant test to column 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. To generate your first column, you can group by the test number and compare each second pass score to the max score. For the second part, I don't have a clean solution, but here's a bit of an ugly one. First, set the index to fruit. Next, find which rows have the highest set to true for each test, and return a list of the indices that those rows have, which are the names of the fruits. Define a function to look at the test number, then return the corresponding max underscore fruits that we just generated. Create a column and apply this function over your test column.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.